I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your bullish bit brought to you by Coinmiles.io, the best place to earn Bitcoin rewards when you spend your filthy fiat online. If you're not using it, you are leaving sats on the table, shop online, or get gift cards for all your favorite vendors, including retail, travel, apparel, home supplies, groceries, and more. Hit the link below and earn 25,000 sats just for signing up.
I mean, I think it's just very bullish for the mining space. It's pretty interesting time, when we're so close to halving that actually things are trending up quite well. We've got hash rate has grown 48% this year. It only went up about 46% last year. So we've already seen in 6 months more growth than we saw in the previous 12 months. And, hash price in terms of revenue per terahash is still up 25% this year. So even though the network has grown 50%, mining economics are better. Hardware prices are still incredibly low. The ordinals thing, which proved that there couldn't be a separate, price discovery layer in terms of transaction fees that will give miners even better security and more incentive to further secure the network. There are so many good things happening in the mining space right now. This is the key that drives everything. Like, if we're not hashing, we don't have Bitcoin. Right now, the incentives are incredible. So people are growing incredibly fast. Hash rate continues to decentralize. And we're starting to see a lot of traction take place, especially in the United States, especially conservative states, where they say, we're pro-business, we're pro-development, we're pro-jobs. We understand how this integrates with the electric grid and how this actually provides benefit to the electric grid, all of the electrical consumers on that grid. It creates rural job growth. It creates all these different benefits to these communities. This isn't a negative. This is all around a positive. And, we even are starting to get even Dems now who are starting to understand that, hey, Bitcoin is not the enemy here. Bitcoin actually provides a lot of the goals and the tools, that we're looking for, right? If your thing is emissions, and Bitcoin is actually really good for you, because this is the only economic incentive in the world to reduce your energy waste and reduce your emissions without a government subsidy. It's the only one.